Hi guys, my name is Javi and I'm going to be showing you how to make some magnets in the easy way and the cheapest way possible. Okay, so let's start by saying that this is going to be my first video speaking in English for YouTube. And I'm excited and also nervous at the same time, but hoping it's going to go well and you guys are gonna like my video. Basically what we will need for our magnets are I'm talking about the cheapest way. So we will need, of course it's gonna be cheaper if you just pay for it to someone, but this one is gonna be useful for you in the long time. So it's a laminating machine, which you can find one at the Kmart for $25, and you will also need the prints in a normal paper, full color or just black and white, and you will need some magnet sheets. I found these ones at the $2 shop and they are quite good. I really like it. I tried to find the brand, which is Articrafty on the website, but I couldn't find it. And it says it's from Australia, but it's $2.50, so quite good. And I found another one, like Craft Workshop or something like that, for $3.50 somewhere else. But if you can go to a $2 shop and get one of these, you are going to do a good job. These ones are self-adhesive, so you just peel the paper and then you stick on the print you're gonna use, or just basically cut it before. Like if you need just a small piece of it, you just cut it with a scissor and it's gonna make it. I thought it was gonna be hard to cut it, but it was really easy. You're gonna watch in the video. And you're gonna need some scissors and any type of print you like, or even photo, which will be amazing for you too. So you guys also will need some pouches for the laminating machine. These are really good, and you can buy a lot of them like in a package, and also at Kmart. Even I found one at the $1 shop. But it's like a package of 10 or something. And you're gonna need this for the laminating machine. I also found these magnets. It's the same brand, Articrafty, same brand, and they come like a small size and the bigger size, but these are not adhesive, so you will need a glue to stick on the print. And they also come with the strips, and they come in 5, and I already used 3, so I got 2 left. So let's watch the video. So let's start with what we need. So here are the prints we are going to use at the moment, and also the pouches for the laminating machine, scissors, laminating machine, and the magnets. So this is the magnet sheet, which have the self-adhesive, very important. And also these magnets, just in case, an extra. So first thing, we are going to insert the print in the pouch and make sure the print is well centered. Now we are going to use the laminating machine, and basically we will need to put first the side that is closed in the pouch. If you put first the side that is open, it's gonna be a big mess for you. I don't recommend to try it. Just go for the safe side and then use the closed side first. Then I just cut the print, which is already laminated. Remember, it needs to be in the hot setting, and just take your time to do it. It's slow. It's a slow process. Then
I just take the magnet sheet and I'm gonna stick straight into the print, which is already laminated, remember. Not a big deal, to be honest. I just stick it and then just try to pull the bubbles, but still had 2 bubbles. Why I used that much of the magnet sheet, it is because it was a big print, so I want to make sure that it's gonna stay on the fridge or in the place you want to put it. You can cut the magnet as you want, just make sure it's everywhere so it will be easy for it to stick. Remember to play around with the magnet and just make sure all the corners has a bit of it. If you're a kid and you want to do it, just make sure an adult cut it for you. If the print is small, you don't need to put a lot of magnet. I'm just trying to figure out what I'm gonna do here. I just got 2 stripes and then stick it on the sides, basically. Not everywhere, just in the places I think it will stick.
I hope you guys like it. Don't forget to subscribe, give me a like and leave a comment if you like. And yeah, that's it. See you in the next video.